Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you all? Today I am going to teach you a interesting chapter from grammar. Okay, not lesson, grammar. Okay, so mm for you for 10th standard phrases is very important. Okay, in English phrases is important. They will often ask you some questions about what is a phrase. Not they will ask you what is a definition. They won't ask you. They will give you one sentence. You have to split that sentence into noun, like that, verb. Sometimes maybe they will ask you. So you should know about what is your phrases, what is your noun phrases, what is your verb phrases. Okay, so last class we have studied what is the basic thing we have studied, isn't it? What is that? Noun, adjective, parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech means what? What is the 8 parts of speech in English grammar? Okay, so in a sentence, for example, in a sentence, I'll tell you. So this we call it as a sentence, isn't it? We call it as a sentence. She goes to the market. Okay, she goes to the market. It's a complete sentence. So the grammarians, okay, the grammarians form the rules and regulations in English language. Okay, they given some, each word they given some names. Okay, for example, the first one, for example, she is they identify as subject or noun. Okay, and then next one is verb, and then to the market sometimes we call it as a place noun, or other we can call it as the adjective also. So they are splitting, each and every words, and they are giving names for each words. Okay, that only we are learning noun, verb, adverb, adjective. Okay, and then there are so many things, interjection, preposition. Okay, so first the basic thing, what is parts of speech, you have to learn. Okay, and then that is basic things. Even yeah, 5th standard, 6th standard students, they know the answer. So you are in 10th standard, you must know about what is parts of speech. Then only you will understand this, what is phrases. Okay, so today this is a sentence. So in this sentence we are splitting the sentence as noun phrases, verb phrases, like that. So here we are going to study what is the phrases. Phrases, different phrases make a clause or a sentence. So phrases means usually it has 2 words only. Okay, usually it has 2 words, but not a complete sentence. It doesn't have complete sentence. It has 2 words only. Okay, what wonderful meadow. Okay, wonderful meadow. It doesn't have verb also. Phrases, it doesn't have verb and all. It has 2 words only. So it will give some meanings only, not a complete meaning. Okay, so in a sentence we are going to split that, what is a noun phrases, okay, and then verb phrases, and then adverb phrases. Okay, there are so many phrases is there. So here first we are going to see one example, then you will understand. Already I taught you noun phrases. Again I am giving some different what is different examples, so that you can understand that. Okay, noun phrases. After learning noun phrases, we will go to that. Okay, we learned what is here phrases. Phrases, I told you, it has two words. It doesn't complete the it doesn't it is not a complete sentence. Okay, it gives a little meaning only. So for example, under that, what is a noun phrase? Phrase, you know, two words. Okay, what is a noun phrase? Is a noun phrase as a noun, usually preceded by a determiner or an adjective. A pronoun also is a noun phrase. I told you, know, in this sentence, she goes to the market. So here she is the noun phrase. Okay, she is the noun. Okay, and then there are determiner. Determiner means the, and, ye. Okay, ye, like that. We call it as determiner. So now we are going to see the example, then you will understand that. Okay. We saw an old man. We saw an old man. So now we are going to split the sentence. How will you split that? Okay. So here first one, we. We call it as a pronoun. Why we are calling we as a pronoun? For example, she here. She also pronoun. He also pronoun. So pronoun is, instead of putting the name, we are using as, for example, girl name. For example, Aisha means the next sentence, Aisha went to the market and bought some vegetables. So the next, and she bought some vegetables. So the first sentence you are using Aisha, her name. The second sentence you are not using her name. Instead of using her name, you are using she. Understand? For example, boy name Muhammad means you are using first the names. The second sentence we are using he. For example, things means it. Understand? So wherever ye, she, it, we, like that it comes, means we call it as a pronoun. Noun is always names. Wherever the names comes, we call it as noun. Understand? So here sa. What do you mean by sa is verb? You know that. And then an is a determiner. An is the determiner. I told you, know, the, and then what and then the, and a, we call it as a determiner. Old is an adjective. Old is the adjective. Man is the noun. Man is the noun. Understand? Why we are calling old is adjective? Why we are calling old is an adjective? Because math is a noun. I told you already, adjective, it describes the noun. So it describes how the man is, old man. Okay, old man. So it describing the man. So we call it as a, we called old it as a adjective. Understand? Very simple. So we is a pronoun, so is a verb, an is a determiner, old is a adjective, man is a noun. Understand? So here next so there are so many phrases or the noun phrases there, and then adverb phrases there, adjective phrases there. Okay, now we have seen noun phrase. Now we are going to see adjective phrase. So adjective phrase, it contains an adjective, sometimes with an adverb of degree in front of it. So adjective phrase, it contains adjective, sometimes it will come with the adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Verb is action verb. Describing, adding, modifying the verb is adverb. So in front of the adverb it will come sometimes. Okay, so we will see the example, then you will understand. So here we are going to split the sentence. Okay, so she, you know, okay, she is noun, is verb, and now here very we call it as a adverb, and beautiful is adjective. Understand? So she is a noun, is verb, and then very beautiful. So why very is it describing the verb. It describing the verb. So very is the adverb. And then beautiful, always we call it as the adjective only. Beautiful girl, beautiful, what is it, a beautiful flower. Okay, so we always beautiful we called it as a adjective. So beautiful is adjective, very is adverb, and is the verb, and she is the noun. Understand? So then verb phrase. So what we have seen, noun phrase we have seen. In noun phrase you have noun. Understand? In adjective phrase you have adjective. Understand? Very simple. In noun phrase it has two words like that. In a sentence you have noun. In adjective phrase it has also three or two words it contains, so it has also adjective. Okay, and then verb phrase. Verb phrase, what do you mean by verb phrase? Verb phrase, it may be a single main verb or it may be have auxiliaries too. So verb phrase also two or three sentence it has contains verb. Verb phrase contains verb, and it sometimes it contains auxiliary verb. Okay, auxiliary verb. Understand? So did you understand? So next class I'll teach you what is a verb phrase and adverb phrase. Okay, so now today we have studied what is a phrases. Phrase is a group of words. Okay, it doesn't give complete meaning. Okay, it has two or three words only. So in a sentence, there are a noun phrase is there, adjective phrase is there, verb phrase is there, adverb phrase is there. There are so many phrases is there. Today we have seen a noun phrase and adjective phrase. Okay, so in a sentence we have to split like that. So if you have any doubt in this particularly about in this grammar, please you can ask me through phone. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, until then take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.